Hi, I'm Matt Dukoski. I'm the lead developer and founder of CodeLine, and I'm going to show you some of the features of art files that makes it really handy for designers. And I'm also going to jump into some of the newer features in art files too that make it a really cool experience. Art Files is a collection utility for Adobe Illustrator documents, and it basically takes the entire complex process of collecting Illustrator artwork and turns it into what we like to think of as a three easy step process. You drag, you drop, and Art Files collects. Let me give you a real quick example here. Here's an Illustrator document that has some fonts and images placed in it. I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it onto the window here, and you'll see Art Files scan the document, figure out all the different assets it's going to need to open at another location or open later. That's it. I'm just now going to hit the collect button and tell Art Files I want to go ahead and save that to the desktop. Hit collect. And it's basically handling all of the dirty work for me. It's copying the files over and organizing them. And here it is in the Finder. Got my Illustrator document there, font files it needs, and the images. And this is ready to go out or be archived for later date. But let's say you have maybe a more complex document, or maybe everything isn't going so smoothly. Maybe some of the images that were present in the document have either been moved or someone renamed the volume that they were stored on, that kind of thing. I'm going to drag over a more complex Illustrator document and drop it on here. Again, thing really kind of cool. You'll notice here that there's a little warning sign though that something's wrong. Well, art files, if I go over and look at my inspection windows, letting me know that one or more of the linked files is not present or can't find it. So this is pretty handy here. It basically highlights here saying, hey, you know what, we detected this image was used, but we don't know where it is. So it gave me a little error status. This has actually been enhanced quite a bit in art files too, and I'm going to go ahead and select that particular problem, hit the locate button. And you're going to notice here we put in some Spotlight integration, and right away Art Files is kind of scouring the hard drive and figuring out, hey, you know what, we have some other files with that exact same name on your hard drive. Why don't you tell me which one you want me to use? And if that didn't work out, we could always hit specify location and kind of browse it for ourselves. So I'm just going to select on this first one here, and I'm going to use Art Files 2's new support for quick look. I'm going to click on that. Your preview may not look exactly like this. I have sneak peek photo installed, which kind of gives some other additional information. But anyway, I can say, oh yeah, that's the Art Director's Toolkit icon that I'm going to use. And now I'm just going to say use selected, and boom, took care of it. You'll notice that that has been resolved, as is our collection status. So now it's ready to go. Now, before I collect this document, I'm going to show you one more thing, and that's Art File's ability to collect more than one document at a time. I'm going to drag over the icon that we originally scanned, and I'm going to add it to the current collection window. And you'll see that now it's ready to collect 2 Illustrator documents. And any of the shared documents, the shared images, the shared fonts are only going to be collected once, which is a huge time saver. It eliminates some confusion on the other end when you're passing off the artwork, and it saves disk space. So that's Art Files. I hope you'll take the time to download a demo and give it a try. It comes with a 15 launch demo that you can use, and you can purchase it from our website. If you already are an Art Files user and want to upgrade, we also have some discounts available for upgrade prices. And I hope you love it.